Hello and welcome back to day 2 of Vlogmas. We have something very exciting today. It's out on the front porch. We have a package from Amazon. An espresso machine. We got it for Black Friday. We're gonna set it up today and we're taking you with us. Okay, so this is the bar. Insert a picture of it here. Primarily before right now, we used it to collect mail. So we are going to set up the espresso machine here because the espresso machine has a water tank. So all we have to do is take the water tank out of it, fill it up in the sink, which is right in, it's this yellow room right in there. And then we can put the water tank back in the machine and make everything here. Over to this side of the camera is the dining room table, which you will see later this week. And then we'll kind of show you what the whole room looks like. But it's kind of a disaster area right now, setting up for Christmas. So let's get the box and open it up. So it's much smaller than I expected, but let's see here, we have the cord, fairly long cord, which is nice. We go down here. Let's see what the instructions say. What does this say? It just tells you the features. I believe that there is some assembly required. Scoop. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause. I'm going to read these instructions and then I'm going to come back and show you what the instructions say to do. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished cleaning out the machine. I ran it through that water a few times. I cleaned out the steaming wand, which gets very hot, by the way. And now we're going to try with actual coffee. So let's see what happens. Okay, so turn it to the squiggle.
Yeah, making sure the filter holder is attached to the appliance. Check that the steam knob is closed.
Steam knob is closed.
Is the filter holder attached?
The filter holder is not attached. We're gonna continue reading the directions. This is supposed to heat up for like 15 minutes. Then I'll be back. Okay, so the machine is heated up. To make 2 coffees or a double shot, you're supposed to put 2 loosely packed scoops . Okay. It's heating again. It looks like a cappuccino. Or it looks like an espresso. Like it even has like the what do they call it? The crema on top. The OK light I noticed did go out, and I waited a few seconds after that. So this might be a little more than I needed, but I think it worked. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to the side, and then I guess we'll try the milk steamer next. So also in the mail today, we got a box inside of a bag. Stupid packaging. Milk steamer cup. So it's nice. Nice. And I don't know if you can see inside there. Yeah, you can. I don't know if it's gonna focus on that, but it gives you measurement amounts. So I figured this is probably an 8-ounce cup, a couple ounces of espresso, so I'll do like 6 ounces. So I'm guessing probably needs to heat up until the OK light comes back on. Then I'll steam some milk. I have a thermometer here, which I heard that you need. I looked online and it says 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, which I Googled is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, here we go. I will edit out that sound because it sounded like a dinosaur dying. Okay, so first thing, I made a huge mess. There's milk everywhere. Second, there's not necessarily latte art, but it does look like a coffee. It wasn't too bad. Let's see how it tastes. Probably bad. It's probably gonna taste pretty bad. It tastes a little weak, so I think I was supposed to turn off the thing when the light went off, because I think I ran a little too much water through it. But pretty good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, which I'm guessing at this point is roughly 4 hours long. So thanks for joining us for day 2 of Vlogmas. I'm gonna clean all this up, and our first video will be up shortly, but thanks for joining us. We will be here every day of the month of December, and hopefully get into some more adventures like this. Thanks.